Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2810E series or 2800 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document. I'm going to show you ways to scan document with this printer to computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and computer are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. And the way to do this is you need to press the Wi-Fi and cancel button together. The printer will be in a wireless mode. Then install HP Smart App from Microsoft Store. After you've done that, then you need to add a printer. It will look for available printer. Once you find the printer, you need to enter the Wi-Fi password, follow the instruction, and complete the process. Now I want us to scan documents. The first method I want us to scan document is with Windows Scanner. So put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, face down, and make sure the document starts from the bottom right. This is A4 paper. We want to scan using window. Go to laptop start, go to the settings, add the printer. So once you connect the printer via HP Smart App, usually you will see the printer from this Windows. Scroll down and look for HP Deskjet 2800 series. Select on it. The printer is idle. Select scanner settings. Then open scanner. This is HP. This is Windows Scanner. The printer is picked up HP Deskjet 2800 series. Source, auto-configured. File type, scroll down to select file type PNG. JPEG is usually photos, so select PNG. Show more. We want to save this in documents. Select document. Select folder. Then select scan. This document is scanning. This is Windows Scanner. Then you select view to view the file. This is document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P. Ctrl P. Orientation, select portrait. Then you select number of copies. This is one-page document. You can select all the features. Then you select, and the printer is picked up. Then you select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Now, another method to scan document, we're going to use HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App. This is the printer. Then select scan. From the HP Smart App, select scan. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Then select source, glass scanner, preset, advanced preset, scroll document, scan area, scan the entire area, output, you select color. If you want to scan it black and white, scroll down from the output and select black and white. So color is selected, or you select grayscale. Color is selected, resolution, scroll down, maximum is 1200, 300 dpi selected. You can preview this or you select scan. So select scan. This document is scanning. This is the document. If you want to scan the next page, open the glass scanner. You can do this as many as you like. Put the document you want to scan face down. Close the cover. Then select add to scan the second page. Then select scan. So these are documents we scanned, the first and second one. To save these documents, you select Save. You can give the document name, then you select Save. Then you select Location, Document Folder, then you select Save. And also select PDF, then you select the document. It will show you your file is saved. If you want to print it out, you select Print. So the document is attached. Scroll down to select More Settings, select Number of Copies, select More Settings. Then select if you want to print it two-sided. I want us to print it two-sided. Long edge, orientation, portrait. The size of the paper, A4 plain paper, main tray, output normal. Want to print it in color. Then you select OK. Then select Print. We selected to print on both sides, so we need to reload the paper. So take the paper, reload it on the rear tray. Continue. This is the document we printed on both sides in color. So this is how to scan documents with this printer to your computer using HP Smart App and also using Windows Scanner. This is the printer and this is HP Smart App. So we scanned using HP Smart App and also scanned using Windows Scanner. Thank you very much indeed.